Hey guys and gals, welcome to K6 Outdoors. My name's Kyle, and today I got some help. She's done with kindergarten, and what we're going to be doing is mulching around the solar panels over here. Getting a little tired of trimming around it, mowing around it, struggling to breathe, anything like that, right? So what we can see here is I've already used some liquid grass remover, also known as Roundup, and kind of created myself a little square to work off of. I'm gonna do a little bit more touch up here in the back with the trimmer, and we're gonna put some mulch back here. I got 4 to 5 yards of mulch. We're gonna fill this in nice. I'm gonna bring the trimmer out here and kind of square this front line up, put just a dash more Roundup on it just to kill it up, and then we're gonna, take care of all this. Well, playing with your bubbles? What? Playing with your bubbles? Alright, let's go ahead and remove the rest of the sod. I'm going to touch up a few areas here that I decide to want to keep growing. You don't have to do this, but I'm putting a few layers of mulch on it, and I just want to make sure nothing goes through. I just don't want to deal with it, All right. All right, we got this all treated. I'm gonna go grab the tractor. I got some mulch up front we picked up this morning. We're gonna get it in the bucket, bring it back here, and spread it out. So put you guys in time lapse, let's check it out. And like on 99.9% of projects, we're enlisting the help of the Max 26 XLT here. It would be nice to have a little bigger, bucket for this, for the light materials, but I am not gonna complain because, well, it makes my life easy the way it is. It just takes a little more time. Let's go grab some mulch. Yep, doing it this way is gonna save me a little bit of time, give me some breathing room in between the buckets, but it's all right. We'll load it up and take it back there. We got the mulch here. I think it's like 4-ish yards. It's got some dust on from driving it back here, but yep, we got it. We're gonna put it all in here, take it back here to the solar panels in the backyard.
Satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
Well, we are getting there. We're over halfway done. I think it's looking pretty darn good. I don't know what you guys think. I'm also pretty simple and easily pleased, but so far I think it's looking really good, and it's gonna help keep that grass down. So I don't have to sweat when it's 105 out, even though today it's Oh, 92. So let's keep going. Let's get finished up. Well, we got it all finished up. What do you guys think? I think it turned out really well. I think this was just shy of, I think, 5 yards of mulch to do this all. The Max definitely is my savior and grace as always. It does a great job. You know, the bigger bucket could have made this go a little faster. It took me a couple hours the way it was. And, you know, really happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Well, I'm looking forward to not having to do any, you know, trimming around the bottom of this, and or even mowing, because, you know, this is kind of on a slope because, well, it's the best place in the yard to put it because there's a septic hill here and I can't do much else. But let me know what you guys think. Well, guys, it's starting to get hot out here. I'm gonna head inside for today. Hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. You know, if you're looking for a cheaper way to, you know, aside from just rounduping or letting the grass grow, a cheap way to, you know, maintain this area under your solar panels if you have to mow under it. Looking forward to having this done. It's gonna look nicer, and ultimately that's the big piece here, is it's easier to maintain, especially when it gets hot out. You know, want to trim as little as I have to because it just takes more and more time every time I mow the yard. So thanks again for stopping in today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're not already part of the YouTube family, I would encourage you to hit that subscribe button, and, you know, if I could do something better on the channel here, let me know. Give me a thumbs down and give me some feedback in the comments below. I do appreciate y'all stopping in. Take care of each other. Until next time, this is Kyle signing out. See ya.